Hello, this is Diana from Yarneddies here with a quick video to demonstrate how to make a magic circle or adjustable loop. Adjustable loops are wonderful for creating a nice tight center when crocheting in the round. The first step to make an adjustable loop is to drape your yarn over your open palm and tuck it behind your pinky. Use your thumb to hold the yarn in place. Wrap the yarn around your 3 fingers and hold it in place with your pinky. Insert your hook under the first loop, then grab the second with your hook. Insert your hook under the V-shaped space formed between the 2 yarns. Pull through like a slip stitch. Pull the tail to adjust your loop. Now you are ready to crochet stitches into your loop. Thanks for watching this Yarneddies crochet quick tip video. Please hit the like button and click on subscribe for more crochet quick tips.